Hi guys, welcome to Burton Caravans Camwell. My name's Leah and I'm going to be showing you this Too Good to Trade 2010 Elddis Avante 362. It's a part exchange to clear and she's called Hetty. She's a 2-berth, end kitchen, and when I show you inside you'll realise why this is too good to trade. It is really clean and tidy. Little bit old for us to fully retail, but Hetty comes with a Power Touch Classic motor mover, alloy wheels, there is a leisure battery on board, now she has a tiny bit of damage here that has got a bit of filler in it. But she comes with a double step. Look at this. 1,164 kilos max tow weight. So really lightweight. And under here is a 260 awning with annex and inner tent. That will come with the caravan as well. Heating, water heating, gas fire, electric heating, gas water heating and electric water heating, loads of cupboard space. Now because it's too good to trade, it won't come with a service or any warranty, but you are welcome to come and have a look for yourselves and see how gorgeous Hetty is. TV aerial, we have the front to the radio, we have a full book pack set as well, microwave 240 volt, space here to put your telly or whatever, food preparation, 3-way refrigerator from Thetford, gas mains and 12 volt. As I said earlier, you've got a gas fire, blown air heating, lovely big wardrobe. The cooker is a 3-burner gas hob. You've got a separate gas grill. Look how clean this oven is. We've not washed or valeted this caravan at all. It literally rolled on the yard a couple of minutes ago and we've not touched it. This is how clean it's come to us. In the bathroom, washroom, you've got an Acheron, the Wastemaster, you've got a shower, you've got a concertina door there to stop the toilet from getting wet whilst you're having a shower, cassette toilet and a flip down wash hand basin with a mirrored cupboard. There we go, look. Absolutely gorgeous. How much, you ask? How much for this 2010 Elddis Avante 362? Too good to trade, £3,900. This is yours. Tow away today. It's got 2 gas bottles, it's got a hitch lock, a wheel lock, a mains lead, leisure battery, toilet chemicals, towing mirrors. Literally just bring a number plate with you or buy one from us and you can have it now. Thanks for watching, guys. Be quick. She's not going to be here for too long. Come and be Hetty's new owners.